Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have this is literally today is the 6th or the 5th. I think it's the 5th. I don't know. I'm just here. I'm going to go ahead. It says it's Thursday. What is Thursday? It says the 6th. Okay. Anyways, so I'm recording my screen. Yep. It's this one. All right. So, and yes, I was watching Beavis and Butthead. I didn't know that it was on Amazon. I was like, oh my gosh, the nostalgia. I love it. Okay, so this is the third. No, we're talking about. Oh, I have to do it differently. All right, let's look at the stats. This is the stats, and we're gonna pull up the custom for March. We did February. February is pretty good, and that was technically like my first month, but so March 1st through March 31st. Let's apply. All right. So 1,049 visits. I got 17 orders. My conversion rate was 1.6%, and revenue is $218.70. As you can see, for the whole month, as far as visits, it was up, down, up, down. And again, a lot of this is from Etsy. So Etsy is really doing your girl a good old favor and pushing her out there because look, they sent 816 people, people that were actually searching for me, 183, SEO 3. I hope that goes up one day because I don't know. I thought I did a pretty good job. I guess not. Social media. I don't know where that comes from. Oh, okay. Oh, it shows. I didn't know that. This is new. Okay. Pinterest, one person. Instagram. Instagram. I don't post on Instagram. Anyway, and then direct traffic. So it would be like you guys. So 45 people came from YouTube. All right, so these are the sales, but let's enter the stats. This data is some good data because it shows me what I need to do to improve in order to make more. Now, last month, I ended up getting a payout in the bank of $30.54. So they paid me out on a third. So that's what it ended up being. So a little bit more than the $29.86. And then as you can see, I added some new little, what are these called? New things. So total TikTok post, total Pinterest post. It didn't have TikTok. I said Instagram. So I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep track of my posts. I guess Etsy they'll keep track of who was coming from Pinterest. But I did make a new Pinterest and it's just for the business only. It's not a personal one. So the total number of listings that I had was, I think it was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, because one is gone. One sold out, which was the Lucky Charm one. This one, once it had sold out, I just left it gone, but it was, oh, battery's dying. Got 10%. Once it was gone, it was gone. I did not feel like making any more, but I went ahead and added it back. So I had 6 visits. It said 1. Oh, and I shouldn't have clicked off because now I have to like go back in and do the custom thing, but you know, yeah, whatever. All right, so March 1st to March 31st. So 1,049. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. And then admirers went up. So I think it was 41. No. I think it, let me just get off here. I think it was 39 before April. So, and I don't know why it keeps putting percent even though I literally keep changing it to numbers in here. Annoying, but see, only only this thing. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Plain text. See what that does. Okay, plain text. So 39, and my conversion rate, was it lower? Is 1.6%. So an improvement, but not much. And then I did do, and it was just a tester, I did do like one, and I haven't posted anything on plain text. I haven't posted anything on TikTok yet because I've been busy. So total orders, 17 orders, and this is what I go by because it'll say something different on the page, like it goes up each item you buy, but each order 17 orders, but people were like buying like 4 or 5 things. So and then total revenue $218.70. Ad spend 0, revenue from ad spend 0, net profit. Look at this. This is what I really wanted to talk about. So this is what, do I need to get into anything? Yeah, like my orders are like starting to rev up, and then when I go into April, it's going to show that they're more because the orders are like starting to get like in the 40s, 50s. So this is, thank you everybody. So let me show you what happened. I'm on the punishment. I think it's 3 months. I don't have anything in the reserve right now. I've been shipping out my orders, so I'm good. The only thing is, oh, I need to change that. And I gotta blur that. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So sales, $120. Wait, oops, wrong month. I'm gonna go ahead, keep it. Oh, here it goes. Oh, I found it. Okay. All right, so it was $300 that I made. This is revenue. I technically profit $192.92. That's right? 192.92. And you see how they said that the amounts are going to be different. I think it's 185.39. I think it's that much exactly. So it's less. This one's more. See, this is weird. Etsy takes so many fees. I don't even think they know what they're doing. So April is already looking good. So right now it's still at 6 listings, but I'm gonna go ahead and put 8. So I'm gonna add 2 more, and then I want to surpass maybe 1,200 visits. This is my goals, y'all. Admirers, I'm at 41 now. So let's shoot for April. I would like 50 admirers, and my conversion rate, let's do 1.7% because I really don't understand, but I mean, I will. And then as far as TikTok posts, I'm aiming for 3. Pinterest posts, I'm aiming for 10 because I heard that you have to post so much on there to get recognized, but I'll do it. I'll do it. Total orders for this month. Okay, I'll just say 20. More than 17, so I'll just say 20. And then total revenue. Now, it's only been a couple days, and I literally made $100 in like a couple of days opposed to like half a month. So I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm just going to keep it simple. Okay, let's just say total revenue. I hope to make $280. I want to say $300. $300. Let's just, yeah, $300. Ad spend, nothing. Revenue from ad spend, nothing. Maybe I'll use it one day. Nah, not right now. Net profit. So if I do, and I think I did make $300, but my actual revenue that it shows me is different, as you can see. So my sales were $300. Fees, $40. $40. Did I put 192 once? I did. $40 for fees, and then shipping. I don't pay for shipping. They do. So this amount right here is what I guess everything that was paid. So like I probably even like the taxes are in here too. No, this is, yeah, no, separate. So it's 320 to 11, but technically I won't see that because that's something that they pay. And then fees, transaction fees, processing fees, listing fees, like, oh my God. And then shipping, $66.35 they pay. I'm not gonna go downwards because I was gonna do a breakdown of exactly how much they're taking for one order. It's dang near half. I'm not gonna lie. It's dang near half. And the higher amount that you put, the more they're gonna take. So that, because they do it, and it's not like only thing that's set is the like listing fee, which literally each time somebody buys is 20 cents. Then they have a percentage of what they take from the amounts. So again, the higher it goes, the more they take. And then they take all other types of fees. They take double shipping fees, double processing fees, double everything. It's just like, what the... So what I'm going to do, I made a Squarespace. And I'm going to compare the fees over at Squarespace. Because they say they don't have any. But yeah, other than that, I'm okay with how everything is right now. And also, take a gander. I'm gonna be star seller, and this is my 3rd month, technically 2nd. So all I have to do is get past April, because you have to wait, like as it says, 90 days. You have to get past April. So once I get past April, then I'll be star seller. I heard star seller is bad because they hold you to a certain standard, and if you mess up or if somebody's just an unhappy customer, then it's gonna like literally throw you in a hole. But whatever. I want to see my purple stars, at least for like a little, just a little bit. But yeah, so everything is looking good. I shipped 4 orders the other day. I don't really have too much because I was gonna go on a rant about, the fact that Etsy takes so many fees. But a lovely, I don't know if they are subscribed. I think they are. They left me a lovely comment, and it encouraged me a lot, because basically what she was saying is like Etsy pretty much is pushing people to you, and it's great for people who do not have a following. So I was like, yeah, I had to think about it differently. And I was like, okay, that makes sense. So I can literally be anybody and just like throw something on Etsy. They'll push my stuff to different people all around the world. And then boom, I'm making money just like that. No following needed. And I was like, okay, the fees make sense. I have to give it some leeway or whatever. But I'm still going to make a entire page. I do want to take you guys through the process, but I don't know if it's necessary with this type of page, because we talk about money over here. Okay, we talk about money over here, not building websites. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So far so good. And then look, this is April. My conversion rate is like higher, 2.9%. 5 orders already, and it's been 6 days. And out of 173 visits, let's see, $105.40. But I don't know exactly. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna let me click it. It's not letting me click it. Hey, that's fine. I don't care. Everything's just looking good. I'm about to put out another it's a savings challenge envelope, and one is another scratch off. So that one's gonna be fun because it's cute and it's small, but it fits in the A6 binder. Um, and then for the launch for the website, I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it in May, and it's gonna be a nice, not big. It's gonna be a nice launch because it's gonna have some fresh new products that nobody has, nobody's seen, nobody's doing. I'm trying to do stuff that nobody's doing because I don't want things to be like super boring. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. Probably what I'm gonna do now is a dividends. Show my dividends because I'm behind. I was supposed to follow that journey with you all, but I have not. I am so sorry. But now that I have my setup, I got my mic. And it's working. I found my cord. So I'm just gonna leave everything as is, and then I'll be able to like just hop on the computer and go. Like I'm ready to go. I don't have to set up anything, find this, find that. No, I'm ready. So yeah, if you like these Etsy updates, these are true 1000% real, honest numbers. Stay tuned, subscribe, please like. The like shows me that you love me. And I love you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.